This is Joby May. Hello everyone, good morning. Today is Saturday and it is now 1:30 in the afternoon at hindi pa ako nakapagluto ng aming food for lunch. My husband, my kids, and my father-in-law, they went to the supermarket and I think they went to other shops as well to buy umbrella for Hailey because her umbrella was broken yesterday and she wants another one. Okay guys, so habang wala sila, yan, naligo pala ako guys and I just finished, yes, bathing and I just dry my hair. Ayan, as in I blow dried my hair kaya as in now dry na siya. Yes, ayan, so shiny and so clean. And yun guys, going to cook food for lunch, which is chicken casserole, but I'm not going to put ham this time. I mean ham. I'm not going to put bacon this time because my husband can't eat any fat at the moment. So yun, yun guys, I'm going to use chicken without skin at saka wala ding mga fats. Kaya yun. So let's cook everyone. So guys, habang magluluto tayo pala, I just turned on Alexa because I want to listen to music while cooking. Yes. So ayan. So guys, this is Alexa and this was a present from my father-in-law. Yes, he bought us one. So let's see. Alexa, please play the songs of Firehouse.
Reproduciendo de forma aleatoria canciones de
But Alexa speaks Spanish. Ayan guys, so ayan na. Alexa, higher volume. Okay guys, so I'm not going to show you how I'm going to cook this because it's very late and I'm in a hurry because they're coming soon and the kids are hungry. So I will link down below guys yung video na ginawa ko few years back about dito sa ating recipe. So if you want to try it, if you want to try this food, it is really good guys, para naman maiba ang ating kinakain na chicken. I mean always chicken but iba yung pagluto natin. Yes, so yun guys. So guys, here is our chicken casserole. I'm still cooking it. This green smoothie or Hulk smoothie is one of our favorite smoothies. Hello guys, ito na lang ang natira sa aming lunch, sa aming chicken. Nakalimutan kong binidyohan guys, kaya yan na lang. Okay guys, so after lunch guys, nanood kami ng film, yes, with the family, and now I am putting back all of these, unloading the dishwasher, and now I am unloading the dishwasher and then load the dishwasher again, and then after that I will cook for dinner. After unloading the dishwasher, and now it's time to load the dishwasher again, everyone. So, ang trabaho sa loob ng bahay, guys, ay hindi matapos-tapos, especially the kitchen and laundry, as in na everyday, guys, ganun, maraming gawain. So, that's mom's life, and let's enjoy every moment of it. Kahit na nahihirapan na tayo or sometimes napapagod na tayo, but when our kids come and hug and kiss and then they say I love you, just like our hearts melt, right? Yes, because they are so sweet and of course they are part of us. So, palagi kong ginagawa ito guys. All the things that don't go to the dishwasher, I always hand wash them. Yes, even if they are dishwasher safe, as in I prefer to hand wash them. guys, malinis na. Wala na yung mga... Ayan, tapos... So guys, I'm going to cook this, to boil this for Russell's food. Tapos yung soup niya guys, para din sa kanya, inumin niya. So, yeah, let's boil this. 4 pieces, I think, of like this. Yeah, or more than 4. Ewan ko lang kung ilan. 5 yata guys. No, 4. Yes, 4 na ganito. 4 na ganito ang ating i-boil for Russell's food. So, they are doing this puzzle. 200 pieces. Yes, na puzzle guys. Yun ang ginagawa nila. Ni Hailey. And my husband. And Lakota is helping destroying. Tinatanggal naman ni Lakota. Hi, Daddy. How are you?
Well, I'm not so expert in this issue, but it's a challenge.
What is that, darling? A ball. And Russell is barking. He wants to come and play also. So they use the ice is okay.
Potser hauríem d'agafar com un espai més o menys el que ocupa i anar posant les peces i després anirem encaixant-les, sí? Potser va així, oi?
So guys, I bought this oil bottle anti-drip kasi guys, itong akin, this one is for oil, but I want to use this. I want to use this guys. Ang ilagay ko dito ay oil and chili. Yes, para naman sa ganun may chili ako. So, yun, pinili ko. And also ito guys pang ano ng sushi. Yes, so it's only 75 cents. Yes, Esteria bamboo para sushi. So dalawang binili ko. And also battery and this one, this permanent marker. So guys, itong chili na ito ang ilagay natin, Cayena Gindia, it says. Yes, so we're going to put this inside here and then let's add oil. And this oil guys. Ayan. And I think I'm going to add in also garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. So guys, itong 4 na ito na maliliit, ito ang ilagay natin dito sa loob. Like this. Yay! Ayan. 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 And yeah. Yes. So, ayan guys. As in na maging maanghang yan siya guys. So ito na mga sis, ang aking oil with chili. Chili oil with garlic. Okay guys, so gagawa tayo ng embutido na Filipino style guys. This is my first time to make. So ito is pork. 1 kilo siya na minced pork. Yes, and we also have 1 cup guys na raisins and 2 carrots, and also I am now boiling 4 eggs, and then of course salt, pepper, and breadcrumbs. Yes guys, so this is my version. Yes guys, so I will try to make it, tapos kung maganda ang result and I'm sure na masarap siya, and I will make another one. Okay guys, nakat ko na ang ating carrots. So we also have to add these black pepper, salt, and soy sauce. And of course, ang ating breadcrumbs. And the oil is still, you know, the egg is still boiling a little bit more. And yeah, we are going to mix in here. Binabad ko na ang ating raisins, so okay na siya. Kaya yes guys, let's continue. So ito na guys, i-mix ko na lang siya. Yes, I put all the ingredients in here. So ganito lang ang gawin natin guys, i-spread natin yung meat doon sa aluminum foil, and then we have to roll it using the how do you call this? The sushi roller guys. As in na maganda ang kinalabasan niya. You can really easily shape into like this. I-roll nyo lang ng i-roll guys hanggang makuha nyo yung siksik or tigas na gusto nyo. Yung consistency niya guys. And then, just wrap it. Charan! I use this guys, yung ginagamit sa sushi. I use this one. So, bale, tatlo ang nagawa ko guys. Ito, dalawa ang itlog nito. Itong isa, isa naman, dalawang itlog ang inilagay ko dito. Tapos ito, isa lang. Tapos ito, wala guys. Kasi kinain ni Lakota yung isang itlog. Sana nag-fry. Sana nag-boil ako ng mas marami pa na egg. So, ayan. Ready to steam na siya tomorrow, everyone. So, eto na. May tatlo tayong nagawa. This is the biggest. As in na, itong pinakataba. And then, medium. Tapos, ito yung pinakamaliit. So, ayan guys. Ready to steam na tomorrow. So guys, i-steam na natin ito. But the thing is, maliit ang aking steamer. So what I'm going to do is, I have to cut into half guys, para makasya siya dito. So, yun ang gawin natin. So, inilagay ko din lahat guys. Yeah, so lutuin na natin. Naka-on na ang ating lutuan. So, ito na guys, yung na-steam na ating Embutido Filipino Style. Bali, 1 hour ko lang guys na ini-steam. So, nandito na siya. Look. So, eto na guys. Yes, tinanggal ko na yung aluminum foil. And now, I'm going to open more. Because we are going to have lunch right now. So this is our embutido in Filipino style, everyone. It is really so good. And you have to try this recipe, guys. As in na ang sarap talaga siya. We love it, even the children.